Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit Integrations dashboard. Click on Create Integration, and choose WooCommerce as the trigger. Then choose a specific task name, like User Review a Product. Also select a product type. Next, choose Google Sheet as the action. Before selecting Google Sheets as the action, please ensure that you have already created a Google Sheet with the necessary rows in place. Now, enter your Google Sheet client ID and client secret here. Once the authorization is successful, click Next, and proceed to map the corresponding form fields. After mapping the fields, click Next and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the WooCommerce product review form and submit it. Step 3. Now open your Google Sheet and verify that the submitted information has been successfully received as expected. If the test is successful, your WooCommerce to Google Sheet automation is now live.